ILY land. Lazy Oliver. Oliver was a very lazy boy. He loved sleeping and lying around all day. His mom would cook delicious food for him every day, but Oliver never seemed to care. Whenever his mom would call him to say that the food was ready, he would just hit the snooze button and go back to sleep. By the time he finally woke up, the food would be cold and congealed on the plate. One day, Oliver's mom had had enough. She decided that she wouldn't cook for him anymore unless he changed his ways. So, when Oliver woke up, he was shocked to find that there was no food on the table. He rubbed his eyes and looked around, wondering what was going on. "Why isn't there any food?" he asked himself. Then he remembered his mom's words, "If you don't take care of yourself, nobody else will." Feeling embarrassed and ashamed, Oliver ran to his mom. He apologized profusely for his laziness. His mom forgave him and said, "Let's cook something together." From that day on, Oliver helped his mom in the kitchen every day. He learned that if he wanted something, he had to work for it. He started waking up on time, helping with meal prep, and even trying new recipes. As they cooked together, Oliver's mom told him, "You know, I love you no matter what, but I love it even more when you take care of yourself and help out around the house." Oliver smiled, feeling proud of himself for changing his ways. From then on, he became a helpful and responsible boy, grateful for the lesson his mom had taught him. A huge thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.